It's Friday, May 15th. I just thought I'd shoot a quick video for you. I bought three stocks this morning: Facebook, mRNA, and Zoom. I'll show you that. I'll update Clovis, look at Abbott. Quick little opening here. Again, this is a 15-minute chart. This is a 5-minute chart on the opening. And you can see, first of all, I'll start with Facebook, which I'm showing you right here. You can see yesterday we had on the 15-minute chart, we grinded higher all day. So we're above the midpoint here at the open on the first 15-minute bar. It's not the strongest green bar, but I like when these close at the high and then you kind of start a little lower, because eventually I think we're going to test the high and the close of yesterday. So what happened was on the 5-minute chart, you got these two little bars consolidating, and then we broke out higher 10 minutes ago. So I bought that. It's not really following through strongly now, but I suspect it will. So I bought it like 205.50 right up here on this 5-minute little breakout, anticipating the 15-minute chart heading up to take out yesterday's close and high. The two stocks I bought early as well were Zoom, which is doing very well at the moment. Same concept. Zoom here, you can see here on the yesterday's, we kind of just grinded away. We're at a key top here, and the stock was very strong with the 5-minute breakout, 5-minute first green bar, and I bought above the second one here at 170.50, and we're up to 174 right now. And you can see the first two 15-minute bars went real strong. This was a key, we're moving strongly up to this key resistance area, and once we break through 172, there's room to run all the way up into the 180s if this thing really wants to go today, or at least make a couple of pushes up. So I love the way it's like 5 points higher now, and it should pause and maybe make one push, and I might just take my profits. This is going to be a really good trade on the day, it looks like. And mRNA, I've been tracking that one, which has been consolidating. You can see here, this stock's just been consolidating for 4 days after that run up. So it's going to, likely break higher at some point to the 77 target that I talked about. That's the measured move of this move here, one move, then pause, then this move up could, and we're pausing here. So we should make one push up towards these highs, at least 70, and we'll see if we can get into the upper 70s. But anyway, today was the first day, if you look at the daily chart, where it was paused for 3 days, and then today's a midpoint higher looking day. First two 5-minute bars pause, so I bought here at 64.25, and now we're going up to 65.25, looking good on this, and hopefully this will be the breakout day. You got to hang in there on the 15-minute chart and just watch it kind of go up, and see how it just forms. If we meet resistance again at the top of this little pause area, which we probably will on the first push, we'll pause somewhere here in the upper 60s. But the question is today going to be a good strong day all the way through? Hard to tell yet, but you just watch price action. Finally, Clovis, let's get that up here, looking good. I mean, in terms of at least yesterday was the rebound. If you look at the daily chart again, I remember when I updated this last time, I said, well, we had that little pause area up here. We could pull back for one or two red bars in the up channel. Yesterday was the day where we clearly had a green reversal bar at the lows, of yesterday. And if you look at the 15-minute chart, what that was, if you wanted to be aggressive with it on a day trade type of thing, came down early to that support level of yesterday's lows, then formed a nice green reversal bar and started higher. So you could have bought here at like 9 with a tight stop around, 860 or something, and we got all the way up to 975, it looks like. But this morning we're just kind of opening, grinding in this little pause area. So you want to see this moving up here in order to really buy it on the day. It didn't have any great opening buy signals, but if we can get a nice green 15-minute bar here above, this little pause bar, that could be a buy to test this high. But there is a little resistance up here, 975. Once it breaks through there, we should start testing that 1075 highs again, but we'll see. Let's see if price action leads us there. Right now it's just pausing in here, so nothing yet. And finally, look at the great Abbott stock. I haven't looked at this in a while. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, like I said, we got the support down here at 88. We had a green little reversal yesterday. Today we're just inside of that. We're below the midpoint, so there's no real great buys. Either it's support. I could see here it tried to come down. It didn't quite reach support. This 15-minute chart made a 15-minute bar made a second high. So this could be a little day trade. If you just get a little pullback in here, which we're getting, I could see day trade if you really wanted to 90.50 with a stop here at just 8.75. Just a 75-cent risk, and see if this day could kind of rebound again on the charts. But this green day yesterday, you really want to see it breaking above these green days and making highs. So we got resistance up here. I don't know. I mean, it's not the greatest. I I would leave these stocks alone. I'm just trying to force whatever I see happening price action wise. But anyway, for me, looks like, let's just look at Zoom and Facebook one more time. Zoom looking great, heading higher, and Facebook, which I just bought, I really want to see that getting going. Looks like it's just kind of holding. Yeah, I mean, this is a little strange, but I'm going to hang in there. It's a tight stop. If it doesn't want, let's see on the 15-minute chart, just to see third 15-minute bar going up and then forming. I don't know. I mean, this one, if I really was going to be conservative, I could just break even right here. It's just I don't like this 15-minute price action, but I also don't mind it. And as long as we hold above the midpoint of the first bar, which is like 205-ish or so. So yeah, I'll have a real tight stop of 50 cents. If this thing breaks below here, I'll just get out, and then maybe it could form again another buy. As long as it holds above this blue line and then gets a 15-minute bar heading higher, it's a good buy. Might not be doing it right at the open, but it's a very tight stop, and then look to re-enter. So anyway, that's it. Just thought I'd shoot a quick video, just again showing you how the methodology kind of looks at these daily charts, midpoints, and opening price action for what normally are high probability trades.